Don't look at my mess. I'm in the middle of cooking, and we need a new faucet. We need a new faucet immediately. This freaking handle keeps coming off because there's no screw. I don't want to spend $1 million. We're not keeping the house for longer than 3 years. I don't want to invest a fortune, but guys, help me out. What am I supposed to get and from where? Help.
That is a great question. I'm glad you asked. And John, thank you for the tag. Fans of the channel have heard me say many a time, every product is right for somebody, and there's a right product for you. So if I'm understanding you correctly, what you need is something you can live with, but something you're not sorry to see it go. So for you, in this case, I'm going to recommend one of the 3 big brands, KOHLER, Moen, or Delta. I'm assuming you want to keep the same basic shape, style, and color, so we're going to focus in on the KOHLER Bellera, and that's going to be available from the Jeff Bezos website for about $300. The Moen Annabelle, I don't know if you can see the price down here in the corner, but that's also right around $300. Or my own personal favorite, Delta Faucets. I will admit I'm a little bit biased. Delta is one of my favorites. And the Ophelia in oil rub bronze fits a lot of people's budget at around $225. All these faucets are from major brands. They come with a lifetime warranty. And if you ever do have a problem, it's usually just a call to a 1-800 number. Make sure you keep your paperwork somewhere so you can reference the model that you have. And 99 times out of 100, they will ship the parts for free. Most plumbers are familiar with it. Most plumbers will know how to install it and or repair it should the need arise. So yeah, if I were in your shoes, that's what I'd be looking at. Well, that was quick, and thank you very much. I also want to point out one unique feature of Delta is this shield spray that they have. It's a setting on the spray head. I checked, the Ophelia has the same one. When it comes out, it looks like this. Basically, this setting is a super concentrated spray through the center like a laser. Really good at getting off gunk. And then the water around the outside kind of acts as like a barrier to keep stuff from splashing back. It's really cool. Oh, absolutely she can, 100%. Because like I said, every option is right for somebody. But that wasn't her question. She was not interested in finding a replacement screw and trying to repair her faucet. She wanted a new one. So if I was going to repair that faucet, I would start by finding out what model it is. My gut tells me that was a Price Pfister in the Tuscan bronze, I think. I would call 1-800-P-Faucet and tell them I needed a new set screw, if that's something that she's interested in. But again, that wasn't her question. Her question was, I want to replace my faucet. Which ones should I look at given my current situation? Thanks for watching. I hope you got some good information out of that episode. Go ahead and click here for more videos. Go ahead and click here to subscribe. And make sure you check out the description below for relevant links to some of the products that we discussed today. And leave your comments and questions down below because I love answering them. As always, I'll see you in the next one.